In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share Reels on Instagram Story. This quick walkthrough will help you take any reel you love, whether it's yours or one you've discovered, and put it right on your story so your followers can see it. I will keep it simple and include a few helpful tips along the way to make your post look great. Start by opening the reel you want to share. You can find it from your feed, the Reels tab, or a profile's Reels grid. Let the reel play for a second so you can confirm it's the right clip and the audio is working the way you expect. Next, look for the paper airplane icon. Depending on your layout, it may appear at the bottom right or along the side of the reel. Tap that icon to open the sharing options. If you don't see the option to share, it may be because the creator has disabled sharing to stories or the account is private. So just keep that in mind. Now select Add to Story. Use stickers to add context, text for a quick caption or call to action, and GIFs to give it personality. If you are crediting a creator or adding relevant context, you can tag them with a mention sticker or include a short caption so viewers know why you are sharing it. To adjust how the reel appears, tap the video itself. Tapping toggles between different display styles, such as a larger full bleed look or a smaller sticker style video. You can also pinch to resize and drag to reposition it on the screen for better composition. Choose a layout that keeps important parts of the video and any text readable, especially near the edges where interface elements can overlap. Before posting, give it a quick preview. Check that your stickers and text don't cover key parts of the video. Make sure the audio isn't competing with any added music or voiceover. And confirm that everything looks clean and intentional. When you are happy with it, tap your story in the bottom left to publish. That will post it directly to your story for all your followers who can view stories. If you prefer a smaller audience, you can choose a more limited sharing option in the same area before posting. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.